Hello, today I will show you how to find keyword ideas for SEO. I use the Google AdWords Keyword Planner for the following purposes. This tool is available for free. The Keyword Finder can specify several keywords for which topics we want to get keyword ideas. I will write keywords like Forex, Forex trading, day trading, how much money and other similar keywords. After specifying the keywords, pressing the Get Result button will generate keyword ideas. As you can see, our pre-recorded keywords and their statistics are displayed, and a lot of other keywords on similar topics are generated, which can be used as keyword ideas. You can see statistics such as how many people search for these keywords per month, as well as the monetary value of these keywords, the minimum and maximum amounts. The best thing is that the Google Keyword Planner tool is free. You can sort the keyword ideas by, for example, the highest number of searches per month, or by the highest minimum or highest maximum amount. Keyword ideas can serve as good advice on what topics to make a YouTube video, for example. Also, the higher the monetary value of a keyword, the more likely you are to earn more money for that video.